Hello there. So how to increase your FPS in Devil May Cry. As you can see right here, this is the game itself, right? Now I'm currently using the launcher's theme for this one. And I don't have the game itself, so I'm just going to utilize a sample game. For example, we're going to talk about the NBA and just let's say this is Devil May Cry. Now how to increase the FPS for this one? Well, the first thing you're going to do right now is go to your desktop, like so. So once you're in here, if you're using an AMD or an NVIDIA, right-click on the desktop and click on the software itself. Launch this one right here. So this is going to be the controller for your GPU or your graphics card. Once you're in here, select the game that you want to increase your FPS with. In this case, we're looking for Devil May Cry, and since I do not have it, let's talk about this one. Let's say this is going to be Devil May Cry, right? Now in here, just click the game itself, and it will open up the settings inside the game. Now that you're in here, lower down everything you see here. For example, anti-aliasing, make sure that this is application settings. Enhancing, disabled. Everything that you don't really need, make sure that they're disabled. Because this one right here will control the game itself. And that should do it.